Have you ever wondered how eyeglasses and Korean ginseng might be connected? It's an unusual combination, but as we navigate the fascinating world of holistic health, unexpected links often surface. Eyeglasses, those everyday accessories many of us can't do without, are more than just a fashion statement. They are crucial tools in correcting refractive errors in our eyes. Whether it's nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, or presbyopia, eyeglasses modify how light enters our eyes, helping to focus images onto the retina. This improves our visual acuity and clarity, enabling us to engage in daily activities with more comfort and ease. They are, in essence, transformative devices that greatly enhance our quality of life. On the other side of the equation, we have Korean ginseng, a revered herb native to the mountainous regions of East Asia. Celebrated for its rich medicinal properties, Korean ginseng is a powerhouse of bioactive compounds known as ginsenosides. These compounds are believed to have adaptogenic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-enhancing effects. While its exact mechanisms of action are complex, Korean ginseng contributes to our overall health and vitality in numerous ways. So where does the connection between eyeglasses and Korean ginseng lie? It's in their collective contribution to holistic health and wellness. By correcting visual impairments and promoting physiological resilience, these two seemingly unrelated elements complement each other in fostering optimal physical and mental functioning. Consider eye health. Eyeglasses are essential for maintaining healthy eyes by correcting refractive errors and reducing strain. But certain eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts could benefit from additional support. This is where Korean ginseng comes in. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may help protect against oxidative damage and inflammation in the eyes, potentially reducing the risk of these conditions. But the benefits of Korean ginseng extend beyond the eyes, with its wide range of health benefits from enhancing cognitive function and reducing stress to boosting immune function and promoting longevity. Korean ginseng is often seen as an elixir for overall well-being. When combined with proper vision care, it could contribute to a synergistic effect that supports holistic health. However, as we consider the integration of Korean ginseng into our wellness practices, it's crucial to approach its use with informed discretion. Always opt for high-quality Korean ginseng from reputable sources and be mindful of the appropriate dosage. In conclusion, the connection between eyeglasses and Korean ginseng lies not in their individual functions, but in their combined contribution to holistic health. By addressing visual impairments and supporting physiological resilience, they offer a complementary approach to health maintenance and disease prevention. As we continue to explore and understand these connections, we unlock new ways of enhancing our overall well-being.